Hello, good morning everyone. Myself, Dr. Vijay Kumar Vishwakarma, and today we will talk about the protein ligand complex, MD simulation of protein ligand complex. First of all, we have need to install the GROMACS, and in previous video, I have told how to install the GROMACS in Ubuntu as well as Windows. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to simulate the protein ligand complex. First, you have to open the website, that is the MD tutorial, and go on this page. Now, just click to start tutorial, and this is the starting of the tutorial. Now, this tutorial mainly use some softwares like BMD, Chimera, PyMol. These are the additional softwares which you can use to visualize your system and perform other activities. But here I am explaining how to simulate. So let us start. Now we have to download a protein ligand complex. This is basically obtained from the molecular data. In later videos, I will explain how to perform the molecular data. But here I am downloading these from the website. This is the downloaded file. Just open the folder. This is the downloaded file. Now double click this file and open this file in Discovery Studio. Discovery Studio is the best visualization software, and this is the freeware. Here I am using the softwares in this tutorial. These all softwares are freeware. This tutorial mainly based on the creating the topology for the ligand as well as protein, and this topology is being used for the MD simulation. Now we have to create the topology of protein as well as ligand in two different environments. The force field for both system will be same. Force field will be same. That is the force field. In this video tutorial, I am going to use charm force field. That is the charm 36. First of all, we need to separate the ligand from the whole complex, and this can be done by using the command line, and here I am doing without command. Just double click on the protein and protein will be selected, and just press the delete key. The whole protein will be deleted. Now just save the file as a save as in mol2 format. This is the Sybil mol2, and rename this file as a lig, because this is the ligand molecule. That's why I am using the notation lig. Now just cut it and again save the protein molecule. Now we can delete next time the ligand molecule. Just select the ligand, double click by double clicking and press the delete button, and this will delete the ligand. Now save this molecule as a protein. Sorry. Save this molecule. That is the protein data bank file. That will be the PDB file. Now just save this. Now again open the lead molecule and add hydrogen to this. This is the ligand molecule. Now go in chemistry tab in hydrogen and add hydrogen to this and save this molecule. Again, the format will be mol2 and replace the previous saved file. Now close the Discovery Studio. Now open your Ubuntu, which is installed in Windows, and you may also perform this activity in whole Ubuntu system. But here I am performing using the Ubuntu app in Windows 10. Now maximize this window for greater visualization and type cd mnt/c mnt users slash your username folder. Here my folder is kick. Just press the enter. Okay. That will be the backslash. Now press the enter. This will be the small k, and use this command, that is the cd/mnt. Actually, I am forget to write the slash, and now press the enter. And finally, we move to the directory desired to create the new folder. That will be the ligand. Here I am creating new folder mkdir by command mkdir, and this will be the vchemistry 1, and this is the name of my YouTube channel also. Now first of all, check where this folder will created or not. Now we can check that the vchemistry 1, that is the folder here. Now we so need to use this command cd vchemistry 1 to move inside the folder directory. Now we have to copy our downloaded system, that will be the protein and ligand, which we created previously. This is the protein and ligand. Now Control C and C drive users pick, and next is the vchemistry 1 folder. These are the two files which have generated. These are the protein ligand system. First of all, we also need to check whether the downloaded files have the hydrogen bonding interaction or not. For example, I have downloaded this file, and here I am visualizing that these two files have the hydrogen bond interactions. That's why we can say that these two are obtained by molecular doubling. Just check, and you find that this ligand molecule form two hydrogen bond with the oxygen atom of the amino acids. Means this ligand is successfully docked in the active cavity of this protein. Clear? So we have to check first bit after the docking. Now we have to use these two files. The first command is first command written here is separating for the JZ4, that is the ligand file, and that's why we are escaping it. Now second is for the untarring the charm force field. We also escaping it because in my tutorial there is no need to download this file. Now we have to generate the .grow file or applying the force field to the protein. So just go to the Ubuntu and first of all activate the GROMACS by using the command source /usr/local/GROMACS/bin/gmxrc. Now press the enter. If no error, that means GROMACS is activated that time. This time. Now we have to just paste your command. Now we have to focus that in our folder, the 3HTB is your file, not the clean. That's why edit this command, because we save our protein in this file. Clear? And you can also visualize this by looking the folder. Now press enter key. That this time it is asking to apply a force field. Since here the at 8 number charm 27 all atom force field is given, I think we should need to apply this, and the charm 36 is not given. That's why you can apply this charm 27 and create the topology of ligand in charm force field. So just press the 8 for charm and press the enter. Now it is asking what type of water molecule you want to choose. Then we simply apply the TIP 3 point, that is the recommended one. So press 1 and hit the enter key. Just wait, and it is writing the topology. After the successful completion, you get the command line, this one, that is the blue in color, and without, if you do not get any error, GROMACS remind you, and you get a quote written by the GROMACS. Now we have to create the topology file for the ligand. Hence, we moving to the next tab. That will be the different parameters given. If you want to apply the Ember force field, click at anti-chamber or ACPY and download this apply. For charm CGNF, this is the official server, and you have need to create a login. Now GROMACS and for OPLS, these are the tools. Here, since I am using the charm force field, and for the using this force field, we have to use this server. Otherwise, we can also search for Swiss Param website. Just write the Swiss Param and create a topology parameter for small molecules. Here, this website offer to create the topology for small molecules using the charm all atom force field. Just submit your molecule in mol2 format, where the all hydrogen and 3D coordinates must be included in the file. So since we created this file before, that's why we can use it. Now just go to this C drive user, means where you put your files, click on that file. That is the vChemistry, and select the ligmol2 file. Now just submit. This the website tells that the your job is submitted and result will be available to the following links. Clear? And this I think for a small molecule it takes 1 to 2 minutes and generate the topology file. Just click on this link. This page tells that your job is currently being performed. So wait for 30 seconds or 20 seconds or 1 minute, and here you got a link to download your file. Now the link is active. That is the link.zip. Download this file, open and locate this file. Just cut it and place to your desired folder where you are running the MD simulation, and that is the vChemistry one. Just paste it and extract this files. Now we have to copy the files obtained in this folder. Just copy these as files, Control C, and paste where you have put your protein. Now it says that your lig.mol2 file is previously exists. That's why you have to replace this file from the destination. Now we have to create the .gro file for the ligand. This can be done by using the following commands. Copy this command and paste in terminal. Now change the command as per the need. Here I am using lig word for the ligand. That's why change the words of the command and press enter. It says that there is an error in input file edit conf. Oh, sorry. Possibly this is not the edit conf. So just make the correction command and again run it. Now you find that everything gone right, and GROMACS build the .gro file for the ligand. Just check it. This is the lig.gro file. Now we have to perform two things. First, edit the topol.tar file and merge the lig.gro coordinates to the 3HTB underscore process.grow. This can be done by using a simple text editor. Here I am showing what are the steps. Just open the line, the file 3HTB underscore process.grow with Notepad++ or simply open with Notepad. Okay, and also open the lig.grow file. These are the lig.grow file. Open with Notepad. Now we have need to copy these lines. This is mainly the coordinates for ligand. Just copy it, Control C, and paste these lines to the before the last line. Just hit the enter and Control V. Now we have to correct this line by adjusting the space. Now the coordinates of ligand and protein are merged. Now we have to correct the first line, which indicating the total number of character in term of lines. Here our total number of lines is, this is the value. We can check it. Just see, this is the total number of lines. This is 2638. 2638. This is the total number of lines. But we saw that in previous, first line is do not correspond to any useful character. First two line, these two line do not correspond to any character. That's why we subtract 2. Just subtract 2 from here. Minus 2. This will be 2636. And correct the parameter in the second line. This parameter is 2636. 2636. And save this file. Okay. Now we are able to merge the coordinates of protein and ligand in a single file. Now, next is to edit the topol.top file. You can see the corresponding features from here. Now we can say that this is complex.grow. Now the new file that we manipulated, that will be the complex.grow. This is nothing but this is 36bst process.grow file. Just make a copy and rename it complex.grow, because we merge the protein and ligand both coordinates in a single file. Clear? Now, second thing we need to do to change the topology file parameters. First, we need to include these parameters before the water topology, and we need to add these two parameters. Second, this one, and last one is the including one line for ligand. Here JZ4 represent ligand, but we write LIG for our ligand. So first we need to make the correction into topology file. Just copy these lines just Control and C and open topol.top file with Notepad++. Have a look what topol.top file contains. This is the coordinates for our system. Finally, we need to add here a line that is LIG for ligand, put a space, and how much ligand are here? 1, that's why we are putting 1, and include the topology file before the water topology parameter. Just hit enter, again one enter, and paste. Since we using the lig, that's why L use LIG for the lig. Next we have need to add another line, that is parameter line before the molecule type. Copy this and go to the molecule type. This is the molecule type and define the ITP parameter PRM file, that is the our LIG lig.prm file. Now save this topology file and cut it. Now we have need to go for next command. Copy this command and paste in terminal. Now, if we want to check whether the complex form between protein and ligand is proper or not, we can go to Chimera and double click. Here I am opened initially and browse your process.grow file. That is the C user kit v chemistry one, and this is the 3HTB underscore process.grow file. Now here I am opening this. So one thing is not clear which one is ligand. Then we can select first go in select tab, then in residues and select the lig. When you select the lig, you can also change the view, but I think it is clear to see that our ligand is in between the active cavity of protein. That's why the complex is found very well. That's why I leaving this step. So just close the camera and move to the next step. Next command is gmx edit conf under dash f complex start group. Since we have named the complex as 3HTB underscore process.grow, so we have need to rename it complex.grow. complex dot. Just rename it. You may also create a backup file. Just do the copy of this file and again rename it. Now rename it complex dot. Now we have to go for the next command. Copy the command and just paste here. What are the parameters of this command? Dash f indicate the input file, dash o new box.grow output file, where the box type is dodecahedral. You may take cubic, rhombohedral, etc. And the distance from the distance of box from the center of outer of the protein ligand complex will be 1 angstrom. And this means that the protein ligand complex completely inside the box. You may change this value also. You may take 2 angstrom, etc. Just press enter. Now it says that there is an error in the line, command line, dash f complex.grow does not exist or not accessible. So I think renaming file may create some problem. Oh, sorry. Here we are not in the right directory. So just change your directory cd v chemistry 1. Here our files. Now again run the command, that is the gmx edit conf. Now press enter, and I think all thing is right. You can also visualize this new box.grow in Chimera and PyMode, but there is no need to visualize it. Just go for the next command, that is the solvation. Since we created this box, now this is the box, and now we have to fill the solvent molecule inside the box, and this solvent molecule will be water. Now just copy this command and paste in terminal. Dash cp is the input file. Dash cs provide the water type model from the SPC 216. That p means writing the topol.top file, and dash o generating the output file, that will be the solve.grow file. Now press enter. Alright. I think everything is going going fine, and no error occur here. Now we have to visualize or we can check whether the solvent parameters were added in topology file or not. Just go for the topol.top and right click on it, open with the notepad, and go downside. You find that this here is a mistake. This line should be below. So just place a enter and save it. This means that the solvent molecule, how much 10,294 solvent molecule were added that box in that box. We have to save this topology file. These are the temporary errors, so we have need to check it. After saving the file, close it and go for the next command. You may also visualize this file in VMD or FileMon and Chimera also. Then we need to just open the Chimera file, Chimera, and browse the. Now this is our sol.grow file. We can open this grow file in Chimera. Since the file is too big, as the 10,294 water molecules were added, that's why it's taking a small time. Here I am pausing the video and again resuming. Since camera hangout, that's why I am opening the VMD to visualize the sol.grow file. Now just click the file and load the file, that is the sol.grow file, and here is our sol.grow file, this one. Just click open and load. Now in display panel, you see that this is the our complex, and here the water molecule were added in this. Okay, then we can close. However, I think it should our protein ligand complex should be in middle, but no issue. If no any error will occur, that's why we can uh, remain left, because as per the model selected a box type, the water molecule were added. Now we have to move to next command, that is the next command is adding ions. Since I had two types of ion, sodium and sodium and chloride ion were added, and this can be done by using the ion.mdp file. Just click this and save this file, copy, Control and C, and open textbook editor, take a new page, paste here, and just you can check the parameters, the number of steps, that is the 50,000 maximum number of minimization steps. Since you can change these steps, because sometimes the minimization occur beyond this number of steps. In that case, we have need to change this number of steps. Otherwise, we do not need to change. The cutoff scheme is Verlet and grid, etc. PVC periodic boundary conditions are provided. We need to save this file. Just save as, and the file type will be uh, the file type is not listed here. So no, just save in normal text file and rename after it. That will be the ion.mdp, ions.mdp. Just save it. Go to the folder and check whether this file ion.mdp is MDP or text file. So I think this is MDP file. The file format is .mdp. So no need to rename it. Just leave it and go for the next command. Just copy. Just copy this command, gmx ground, paste here and press enter. It's a fatal error, and the error shows that the leak.prm not found, since we included this in topology file. So we have need to check whether this line is added or not first, and second, the leak.prm file is changed or not. If some modification were occur in that, in this case, we have to check it. Well, basically the problem is from the placing this ITP file location. Since I placed initially this ITP location at before the water topology, as per the directions of the website, but I think there is an error as per their method. Just see, initially I placed here before the water topology, but as per my old experiences, when I uses this uh, ligand.itp profile to include in the topology file after the this force field parameter, then there will be no error. So just copy this line from that place and place here and save the topology file. Now go to the command, that is the ground -f iron.mdp, and press enter. You find that your problem is being solved, and here no any error. This can be also found from the GROMACS error section. Suppose if you have any problem related to the command, go to the GROMACS error. These are the common errors during uses, and which command show the error, like pdb to gmx, error in pdb to gmx, you search here. Since our error is belongs to mainly GROM, that's why we have to go to the GROM section. Clear? And in this section we find that it says that invalid order of directive, means within the topology file uh, we placing the include line that is not at proper location. That's why I go and check and found that, and after running the complete uh, command, I came back to the main menu. Here I am showing to you. You see that this error is first resolved, and again this is the error where uh, this is the error. This is the error. This so that the lig.itp file and their position is invalid order for directive atom types. That's why their order is invalid. So I go to topol.tar file and edit it, and finally our order will be fine, and there is no issue with the command, as you see. Now we have to proceed for next command, and that is the next command is adding ions. Now we can replace water molecule by the sodium and chloride ion, and uh, to convert our system to neutral state. This can be also changed to other state, like if you want to make the concentration of protein to the cellular level, then you can change it, like you also may add a proper concentration, and you may also add dash C 0.15, because 0.15 molar concentration of sodium and chloride ion is the natural molar condition. Since in this command this is not added, that's why I am removing it, but you may check it. Now press the enter. Now it again want to choose what you want to replace to add the sodium and chloride molecule. Then we have two options. First, to replace the water, and second is to solvent. But since solvent in the form of water is chosen, that's why here we can replace water molecule. Just select, that is 15 for solve, right here 15 and press enter. It replace how much water molecule, replacing solvent molecule, line atom this with chlorine, 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 and now your protein have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chlorine atoms. This can be checked with their website. This is the 6 number of chlorine atom. Now the water molecule will be subtracted, solvent molecule, and this we have need to check it whether this is placed properly in topology file or not, because many times you face the problem with the topology file only. So first we need to close the previous topology file. Just close it. Okay, and again open the this topology file in text editor. Go for the last line. And you find that the 6 number of chloride ion are added here. You may adjust as per your look for this also, but I think due to this there is no effect on topology parameters. Now the save topology file, cut it, and go for the next command. Next is energy minimization. This is very crucial step. Before going to uh, ensemble hypothesis, that is here two type of ensemble hypothesis. First is uh, NVT, and second is NPT, isochoric isothermal and isobaric isothermal. These two ensemble hypothesis is applied, but before this minimization is first, and minimization steps should be occur very properly. So we have need to check it whether it is occur or not. Before this, we need to em.mdp, and the parameters of this file is given here. Again, copy the parameters, Control A, Control C, and go to the text editor. Take a new file, new page, and paste the parameter. Again, you can check the number of steps given here is 50,000, and these steps can be altered as per the need. If your minimization occur before this period, this number of steps, you can change it. You do not need to change it. If not occur, then you can change it. And we have need to again save as save to the desired location, that is the C user public and V chemistry 1. Here we have need to change it, and the em.mdp. The file name will be em.mdp. Save it. Again, check whether this file is MDP file or not. So we have need to check it. Go for the location and check em.mdp is MDP file. So leave it and go for the next command. Just copy this command from the website of tutorial website, that is the MX and go to the Ubuntu. Now paste here, and everything is fine. Just press enter. There is no any error, so we can proceed for the next step. Next step is running MD simulation for the minimization energy, and just copy this command, paste in terminal, press enter. Since we have need to note that dash V option here is, we can remove also dash V option, but if we put dash V, means this is the verbose and it's so number of steps going on, and how much time this software taking to calculate the desired parameters. So just press the enter and wait how much time it take to minimize the energy. Now this is running, and I am pausing the video and I will resume after the complete minimization. Now the energy minimization is completed, and this is the potential energy values, and negative energy value indicate that the system is minimized to minimum energy. And the number of steps used to minimize this protein ligand complex is 331, and this indicates that our minimization terminated within the limited number of steps, so does not need to increase the number of steps. But one thing I want to show, that at the step 13, if you see, one or more water molecule cannot be settled. For the bad contact and are reduced, the time step is, if appreciable, wrote PDB file with previous or current coordinates. Now, in case of such type of errors, what we can do? Because we are not performed MD at it, and since MD taking too much time, that's why it is too early to rebuild your system to accomplish such type of errors, and it is far better to go backward. But now here I go forward, because this is a tutorial video, not for the purpose to publish the research work. That's why I am going forward and seeing what will occur, what error will occur in further cases. If any error occur, then I will be rebuild and uh, recreate the coordinates from the basic files, and perform the MD simulation, and uh, also perform the MD simulation from the beginning. But I think, as per my experience, not much more complications were occur in later cases. That's why I am going for the next command. Next is equilibrium, and this equilibrium Before the going for equilibrium, we have to restrain the ligands. Restraining ligands need to generate the position restraint topology, and this topology is used for the this is mainly used for the protein ligand complex cases, and this is important step. So we have need to copy this command and paste in terminal. Now we have need to know that the Z4 is not our ligand. Here we write for Lig, that is the our ligand Lig, and the output file dash o parameter should also be changed according to this line. That will be the index underscore lig, and go for the cross checking that your folder contain lig.grow or not. So cross check it. I think lig.grow is in small letter cases. So I going to change the case. That will be the small letter lig, and here also Lig. Now press enter. Here it asking what you want to. Zero, and this is the command. You have to write it. So copy this command. And just paste here and enter. What is zero? This is showing zero for system, and uh, A for atoms, and H for where is capital H? Sorry, H for hydrogens. Then these all hydrogen will be counted as a system, part of system. Just press enter. Oh, it copied the index group 0 as a system, and says that 12 atoms with the name H star means it write the file in uh, index underscore lig dot grow, and now we have need to quit from this command. For quitting, you have to type Q and just press enter. Now Q and enter. The next command is then execute the Genester module and select the newly created index group, which will be the group 3 in your index. That is the newly created group. This is the index file. So we have to perform this activity using this command and select the group 3. And just change here the name, because here JZ4 is our ligand. So I am changing the renaming it, that is Lig, and press enter. Now the index file is created system and H star, that will be the group 3. So type 3 and press enter. Now we have to include these files in the topology file. So copy these parameters and include these lines before the include water topology. Copy, open topol.top file. This is the topol.top file. One second. Go downward. This is the okay, clear. Add these lines before the water topology. Since we have renamed our ITP file as a pors.lig, so rename it as a lig. Now save the topol.top file, just close it and move for the next command. Now it says that we have need to change the TCGRP as a protein. Now in my case, ligand, sol, or Cl. Since Na is not present, so we have need to use this. This is done because for the proper controlling of temperature, and this is the parameter which is included in MDP file. So in next command we will change in MDP file. Now we have need to perform this command, that is merging of protein and ligand group. If we not perform this step, then what we need to change? Basically, we need to change that the solvent, chloride ion, ligand, and protein as a separate values. For example, here I want to show you that if we go for the this MDP file, then the TCGRPS parameter will be changed. But since we merge the protein ligand as a one file and water and ion as a one file, then we have only need to show these two parameters. If we are not merging, then we have right to protein separate, ligand separate, solvent separate, and chloride separate. So as per your wish, if you not want to merge, then you can go for the separate file. If you want to merge, then you have need to perform this command. Just copy and paste on terminal. Press enter. Now it is asking what you want to merge. Then you have option to choose, that is one for protein, one for protein, and 13 for ligand. This is JZ4. So you have write 1 and 30. Just copy it. In some cases, you have also find that the 30 number is ligand or not, one number is protein or not, because as the version of GROMACS changes, some changes were occur in this parameters, like some parameter were added. That's why it may be changes. That's why we need to. So we need to change it. So here I am typing 1 space line space 13 enter. Now, as it says that the index file created for protein ligand complex and other for the solvent and water, etc. So here we need to type Q and press enter. Now we have need to move for the next command, that is the ensemble hypothesis or NVT equilibrium. That is the isochoric isothermal equilibrium. So just first create the nvt.mdp file, and the parameters for this file is written here. As I saw for the TCG RPS group, if the protein ligand or protein ion is given here, if you not index, then what you have to make changes? You have made two changes. First copy it, Control C, and go to the text editor, take new page, paste it. Now I want to show the changes, because initially at my time I have performed with these changes. You have need to change this parameter. Protein separate, this is lig separate, this is sol or water separate, and ion separate, and the corresponding value 0.1, 300. 300 is the reference temperature, and this is the time. So here I'm not going to make any change, because this is our protein and ligand system, and second is our water and ion system, and on that basis I am going to perform the equilibrium, that is NVT equilibrium. So save this file as a nvt.mdp and run the command. Just copy the parameters, paste here, and hit enter. Wow, I think there is no any error, and we have to move for the next command, and the next command is time taken. So I will pause the video as per the need. Just see what is the command line or tagline says. If we are adding the dash v option, since you have seen when I perform the minimization, I told you that here we need to add dash v, and by adding this dash v, that is for verbose, and it show the number of it show the time taking to perform this step. If you do not add, then it do not show the approximate time to complete the process. Only so here I am adding dash v. Now press the enter, and this will perform. Just I want to show where it show the time. Just see as the step, any step completed, it show the approximate time to complete the process. Just wait, and as the number of step started, I will show. So just see here, it is showing that this process will complete on July 25, and the time will be 2:34 a.m. 2021. If we not add the dash v option, that is this dash v, then it not show the time. It perform the operation but does not show the approximate time. So we have need to add this additional dash v option. So the NBT ensemble hypothesis was successfully applied to the protein ligand complex, means equilibrium will achieved in NBT condition. Now we have to go for the next step, that is the NPT, and this is the parameter files. We have need to copy, Control C, and open in NPT, Notepad++, and save this file as a, take a new file and save this file as an npt.mdp. So Control S, save to the desired location, that is this one, vchemistry 1, and file will be npt.mdp. Save it. Once we have need to cross check whether the file format is right or not, that is the npt.mdp, means all things right. Now we have need to copy the command, that is the gmx cron, just Control C and paste in terminal. Now nothing need to change because everything is fine as per the command line tags. So press enter. Oh, sorry. It say that the protein JG it does not uh, referenced. So we have need to change the MDP file. That is the our ligand is not JZ4. That is the LIG. So again, save the file, Control S, and run again this command again. Oh, well, now all thing is going fine. So we have need to go for the next command, that is the uh, npt mdrun, npt mdrun. Here, just copy the command and add dash v option. That is the okay. And now press enter. Approximately it takes 5 to 6 hours. So I am waiting, and when the process is completed, I go for the further step, that is the final MD production. So here I am stopping the video and resume after the completion of process.
Hello. Finally, after too much taking time, this process means equilibration of NPT will completed, and you see that the values regarding the time is given here, and performance per day in nanosecond and hour in nanosecond is given here. As you see that no any error will occur in this step. That's why we can move to the last step, that is the MD production. Now, before going to MD production, we have to save the file. Just copy the parameter and open the text editor. Take a new file, paste here, and here we need to change some parameters. Like first parameter is this one. This is the protein and lick for our system, not the JZ4. And if you want to alter the temperature, then we can change this 290, 300, 310, 320, etc. And second is the number of its steps. That's defined how much nanosecond your MD will run. For example, here I am running the 10 nanosecond MD, and this 10 nanosecond MD will give the other results. Uh, for this, we can simply calculate that the this much steps means 5 lakh step. Since 5 lakh steps equals to 10 ns, means 1 ns equals to 1 ns equals to 50,000 steps. So as per our need, we can increase 20 here and 20 again here. That will be the 100 ns MD simulation. So using this as a basic formula, we can calculate how much times we want to simulate this system. For this video tutorial, I am using 10 ns because my laptop is slow. If you are running on cluster, then you can use more number of nanoseconds. Okay, well, then just save this file. MD dot mdp and cross check whether the file is saved properly or not. C drive user kick v chemistry 1, that is our file is md.mdp. Okay, well, now the this file is ready, so we can copy the command. The next step is copy this command, control C, and paste it on terminal. Now press enter. So as you see, there is no any error. So we can move to the next command. Before running this command, we have to place or introduce the dash V, and if you are running this on GPU, then you have need to write here GPU, and if you have number of threads, then you can use option dash NT and define how much thread. Suppose you have if you have 16 thread and want to use 8 thread, then type 8, means number of thread can be defined from here. But this is my dual core laptop, so I am just running on the whole capacity, so not defining number of threads. Just press enter. Oh well, this is showing that the dash V do not recognize the dash V option, so remove dash V from here and introduce here. So finally, you see that the MD simulation will started and number of steps is showing. As the number of steps, as it initiate the any number of steps, it gives the approximate time to complete the MD. So as it is showing that August 8, by August 8, it will completed the MD simulation. So till this date, we have to watch and wait how much time it take. After the completion of this step, uh, I will further go for the analysis. That is the analysis of root mean square deviation, root root mean square fluctuation, uh, number of hydrogen bond, uh, and etc. Protein ligand interaction energies, etc. Well, finally, a long wait of approximately 6 to 7 days, as per my laptop speed, that is the dual core laptop, the MD simulation for protein ligand complex is completed successfully. And here we can see that the message showing why it is the earth moving around means it is as usual message that GROMACS showing after the completion of a process and quoting the quotes of the known scientists. Since here no any error will occur, then that's why we can move for the next step, that is the analysis of protein ligand complex. For the analysis, we have to go to the MD simulation website, that is the mdtutorial.com. Now this is the last step which we run, so we have to go for the next step, analysis. And here a few commands we have need to run before performing the calculations. Like if we want not, we must need to recenter and rewrapping the coordinates, because during MD simulation the coordinates get broken or jump from one place to other place. That's why we have need to group and recenter and rewrap these coordinates in a proper manner. So just copy this command and paste in terminal. And hit the enter key. Now it is asking to select the group and execute the group. Then we have to choose protein for centering and system for the output. So then the number of protein and the number of system will be selected since the protein is at first place. So here I am writing 1 for protein, press enter and again wait. it is asking to group for output. So we have to output group as a system. So type 0 and hit enter. Finally, this process completed. Now we have to go for the analysis, and in analysis we can perform several type of analysis, like if we want to calculate the RMST value, RMSF, root mean square deviation, root mean square fluctuation, radius of gyration, and high number of hydrogen bond. These four parameters are very important for protein ligand system. However, in case of energy, we have to run another script, and we can calculate the protein ligand interaction. Like here, as given in tutorial, analyzing protein ligand interaction and ligand dynamics. If we have the idea about the residue number, like 102 is the residue which is interacting with the protein, then we can perform this step. Otherwise, simply for uh, RMST calculation, RMSF calculation, we can escape this and go for the this command. That is the RMS. By using this command, we can calculate the RMST, RMSF, and so many. Now, one thing given in this tutorial is protein ligand interaction energy. For calculating this interaction, we have need to run the another MD simulation, like command, that is the IN.MDP, and after processing IE.MDP, the parameters for this is given here. We can calculate the protein ligand interaction energy. But for this case, I request you to go for the higher studies and perform the MMPBSA analysis, that is molecular mechanics coupled Poisson Boltzmann and surface area analysis, or the other analysis that is the based on GMMPBSA. That is the MMPBSA. This is the MMPBSA and GBSA. That is the another one, GBSA. In next tutorial video, I will upload how to perform the PBSA analysis, and with the help of this analysis, we can calculate the more accurate amount of protein ligand binding energy and other the type of free energy functions, like solvent accessible surface area, SA, SASA, solvent accessible volume, etc. We can calculate with the help of this type of command. But I will perform this study in next video. Here for this video, I am only centered on RMST. So RMST. Second is RMSF. And RG, radius of gyration, and hydrogen bond. That is the H bond. This four type of command will be executed by me for a tutorial here. And first command is to calculate the radius of root mean square deviation, and this can be done by using this command. Just copy this and paste it in terminal. One thing to note here, we can also save this file as only RMST. Clear. Now run it. At this level, it is asking the parameter for which you want to calculate the RMSD. For here, we are selecting the backbone because the main core is the backbone of a protein. That's why here I am choosing 4, and it also asks for a square fitting. Fair. Then in that case, we also choosing the group 4 and press enter. Now, RMSD.xvz file is generated on. So this is the RMSD parameter, Microsoft Excel. Now in Excel, open the file rmsd. For this, go to the folder, that is C drive, user, kick, chemistry1, and change this parameter. Now browse for here, next, and select space, because space separated value will be separated. This is the parameter, and select this 2 column and draw the graph. Go in insert, in graph section, scatter. See that the graph is look like this one. This is the 10ns graph. This is the 10ns graph, and the RMSD value is mainly centered around the 0.1 nanometer. Clear? Now we have to move for the next command, RMSD or simply we have need to write RMSF in the place of RMSD. Just paste here and change the parameters, that is the RMS should be changed as RMSF. Now press the enter. Oh, sorry, we have to remove the STU parameter. This parameter should be removed. Now press enter. Now press enter, and again it is asking for the parameter. In this case, we have to select the backbone. Just press enter. Oh, I do not change this parameter. That's why it back up to RMSD XVG at a +1 and rename the RMSD as a RMSF. For this, we have to change this parameter because this is RMSF. So we have to change this one. Now again run it. Select the group 4, press enter. here everything RMS file in Microsoft. Open. Recent is last is C drive, user, kick, vchemistry1, and change the parameter to all file, and our output file is rmsf.xvg. Again we have to select the comma separated value, sorry, space separated value, and draw the graph. This one. So this is the our RMSF graph. And then radius of gyration parameter. Use gyrate. Clear? Terminal. Change it gyrate. GMX gyrate. Press enter. Radius of gyration is also calculated for backbone atom. You may calculate as per your need, protein system, etc. But more useful information is given by the backbone. That's why I am choosing the backbone. Now again go in folder G file. So here I am locating, that is the gyrate of file. Open. Our parameter file is gyrate.xvg. Basically in Ubuntu you can also browse this gyrate.xvg file in XM Grace, but the work of XM Grace can be this one, that is the MS Excel. Now this S0 ligand RG is column, and this is the radius of gyration for the protein ligand interaction. Now the last thing is to find the protein ligand interaction by hydrogen bonding, number of hydrogen bonding. For this one we can use the parameter that is the H bond parameter, and our input file must be XTC file, and output file will be created by dash NUM H bond, this one. Okay, so we have to change our parameter as per the this command. This is for the hydrogen bond between two protein group, and this is for hydrogen bond between protein and water, protein and solvent, etc. So use this command, and we have two options to select protein and ligand. So just select this by using this command. We have to select. So use this tag and this tag, and rest of the tag will be same. So we have need to this option. This is the dash O, replace is gyrate is replaced by the H bond. Now press the enter. It is asking again for the input parameters, and we have to specify two group to analysis the hydrogen bond between them. So first we have to select One as a protein and second as a ligand. That is the ligand is at 13. So write 13 here and press enter. Just wait for a few seconds. It calculate and give the output file, that is the H bond .xvg. Just more few seconds, and I think it is near to completion. Oh, well, finally we have calculated the number of hydrogen bonds, and first we have to locate the H bond.xvg, that is the file. Now we can plot the graph, open and locate the H bond.xvg. The in docking, and in the beginning of lecture there are two hydrogen bonds mainly formed between the protein ligand complex. So source of simulation is given by this graph. So we have to plot this graph. This is the mainly the two hydrogen bond is mainly persist, and sometimes we get the hydrogen bond, that is the 3 at few places. This mainly indicate that this non-conventional type of hydrogen bond during the simulation, it reaches towards its distance is comparable in the range of conventional hydrogen bond and converted into conventional hydrogen bond. So these are the hydrogen bonds, number of hydrogen bonds, and their variation during 10 nanosecond simulation can be analyzed. 10 nanosecond simulation can be analyzed. So by using this graph and other parameters that is explained in MD simulation, we can publish a very good article in a reputed journal. Here I am skipping the visualization of MD as a movie, and in next video I will visualize the MD simulation as a movie. I am skipping this because the length of video is becoming too long, so that's why I am skipping it. But in next video I will visualize the MD as a movie. Clear? And I also explain in other video the MMPBSA analysis. MMPBSA analysis, that is Poisson-Boltzmann surface area analysis for calculation of more accurate binding energy between protein and ligand and other solvent accessible energies value. That is the highly important topic for the research, and this is advanced over the MD. So you have to watch this video and wait for this video also. This video will be more helpful to produce a good impact factor research paper. Thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe my channel if you think that it is useful to pursue a good research.